Get the most from your AAA membership. Almost everyone who has a car probably has a standing membership to the American Automotive Association, but not a lot of people know about the usual services of the AAA. Most people have probably called up the hotline for roadside assistance and repairs. But did you know that the nonprofit organization also has a lot of other offerings for its loyal members? While having a 24-hour roadside assistance service may be a great thing for somebody who's always on the go, you may be better off knowing about how you can fully maximize the benefits of your membership. Here are a few ways of how you can get the most from your AAA membership. Local chapters. Go to the official website of the AAA and see the general guidelines of the membership. Most units under the AAA have devolved policies and regulations, so you may want to find the website of your local chapter as well. You can do this by entering your zip code on the appropriate field on the website. This simple task should redirect you to the corresponding page. Hotel and travel discounts. Aside from being a dependable emergency service in case of car troubles, you can also use your AAA membership as a tool to facilitate future travels and trips. There is a specialized section on the website that takes care of this for you. Not only are you to book hotels that are partnered with the AAA, you're also getting better value for your money through the discounts that some companies extend to AAA members. Loan assistance. Thinking of getting a new car? Did you know that the AAA can in fact help you? There is also another special section on the website that takes care of members who want to make a car loan. There is a package for everyone. Auto reviews and comparisons. As you might expect, the AAA site also features a vast array of cars. These listings can greatly help a member who is thinking of buying a new car. Comments from the other members of the AAA can also give you insights on handling, vehicle history, and overall performance. Aside from giving you the opportunity to learn new information about your desired cars, this can also form valuable connections and partnerships among members of the AAA. Auto repair discounts. There are many auto shops and parts stores that are affiliated with the AAA. Members often get discounts on products and services, so make sure that you know which stores and shops are near your area. Knowing how expensive most car parts are, it would be very advantageous to purchase these with a considerable rebate. Tasks like changing the oil, engine tune, UPS, or even car washes can become relatively inexpensive once the discount is applied. Store discounts. The discounts don't stop there. There are plenty of other concessionaires, clothing stores, and service providers that offer discounts to AAA members even if the product or service has nothing to do with automobiles. Asking your other friends and family members to join the AAA will bring you much closer because of the shared experience. With all the benefits that they'll get, I'm sure they'll thank you for it.